Welcome back to the channel. If you have an issue where your water pump on one of those 2018 and up 2.5 liter Camrys don't get powered up and has a code for engine coolant pump, low circuit, high circuit, or any circuit codes, and you know that your water pump is good, then your issue is gonna be this relay here. It's EFI main number 3, which is this relay right here. I have purchased one replacement one from the dealer. What I did temporarily, I took a relay from here, which is our wiper relay. It's exact same part number. I swapped wiper relay to the coolant pump, which is under the circuit EFI main number 3. And the water pump started working, circuit codes disappeared, and now I got the replacement one here to replace the wiper one. But since these do fail, I'd rather have a brand new one mounted to this spot here and put the wiper relay back to where it came from. So before even replacing water pump, you might want to go ahead and swap those relays 90080 87026 and see if that makes your coolant pump work again, and your check engine light codes for the coolant pump circuit will disappear. If they don't, then it's probably your water pump that needs a replace. I have a video on my channel how to replace a water pump on this car, and also how to replace the thermostat. So please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Hopefully you find this video helpful.